Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. Figma tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you the process on how to convert a design that you have created in Figma into HTML and CSS. Now let me choose something very simple. For example, this one. You will be using a plugin to be able to pull off this exportation or conversion. You're simply going to click on this option over here and search Teleport HQ. After that, as you can see here, you're simply going to be instructed to select the element that you want to convert. So simply select the page and simply export it as a new project. Now keep in mind, you need to have an account in Teleport HQ, which is a very easy task to do. So after you do that, you will be able to do what I just did and simply click on Save Project. And right now I have reached my maximum, but I have already exported a page. So let's open this one. After you were able to export one of your designs, you're simply going to wait for it, and you will be able to export it by clicking on this option over here on the top right. When you click this, you will be able to generate a code, as you can see here. And after clicking that, you will be able to see your code over here with the JS and like your CSS over here. And you can also check it out on other types of codes as well. And that's basically it. After that, you can simply copy and paste it wherever you would like to use it. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.